Quick demo of the FCS and Followup CRM integration. I'm going to show you here how to set up and how the integration works. So it's pretty straightforward. The first thing you need to do to activate the integration is reach out to FCS and tell them that you're working with Followup CRM and that you would like the Followup CRM module turned on. So once FCS turns on the module for you, you will now have a new button in your toolbox. You'll have the Followup CRM module right here. Now, before we dive into that, let me walk through setup. Here in the admin section, you would click on that and you click on company info. Down here, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a Followup API password and confirming the API password. Get this information from FCS so that you can update that and make the connection. Once FCS provides you with the credentials to connect your FCS account to your Followup CRM account, you'll have the information, that information to put into your settings area. Only administrators within Followup CRM can access this setting. This settings area, you'll see a new tab called the FCS integration. And if you don't see this, that means your account manager has not turned this on for your account. Now, this is only available for our basic plan. So just in case you might not be on our basic plan, let us know and we'll talk about upgrading. But the FCS credentials that you get from FCS will go here. Here's your FCS master ID, your FCS user ID, and your FCS password. Once you save that, you'll see that the connection has been made. So now that the connection has been successfully made, I'm going to show you how the integration works together. I'm going to come here and put in a new test file. We're just going to call this test file 7-10, and we're going to put contact name in there just for testing purposes. And I created this file. Now that you have the FCS module turned on, you'll see a new button here called Sync to FCS right there. Once you're ready to push this job into FCS, all you have to do is click on that button and you'll see a success message that says your project was synced. That's all you have to do to sync the project over to FCS. That's it. Now on the FCS side, we'll flip on over here. To access this job, you will come here to your toolbox, and now this is where the FCS module comes in. Once you click here, you'll have something called the new project queue. This is where all of your synced jobs will be. So here you can see test file 710 that I just put in, and this queue allows you to appropriately manage the job within FCS. So for example, when you're ready to work on this job, you can click on the plus sign, either search for the company or create a new company if it's a new client. Now let's say you're adding this as a, if you're just adding the property, you can click commercial residential and create a new property. Once you create a new property, it will create that new client within FCS. I'm just going to go backwards here so we can do this again. Now, if the property that you push from Followup is already an existing client within FCS, that's when you're going to search for the company. And here's your drop down of your clients. We'll just call this Ryan Klein. Select. And then you could also associate it to the property and create an opportunity if that's what you would like to do. Now, here's the company, here's the property, and now we're adding this to FCS. Project added. Now that you have added that project, you have the Followup project history. If you click on the project history, you'll see that this job that we just pushed is over here. And these jobs in the history area gives you the link to click on either the opportunity, the property, or the company. So if I click on here and I open this up, you'll see the information that we pushed from Followup to there. So then you're free to either dispatch the service, create an opportunity, create an inspection report, whatever you need to do to manage your job in FCS. So that's a little bit about the FCS integration. Let me know if you have any questions.